Hey there, YouTube friends. I have to change the wiper blades on my Ford Fusion, so I figured I'd do a video. I picked these up at Walmart. This is the Rain-X Hybrid H19 for the passenger side, and this is the Hybrid H24 Rain-X for the driver's side. They were about 15 bucks a piece. We'll change them right now. Okay, so first I have to take the old one off, and I'm just going to lift it up, turn it in like that, and right here is a little tab. So we're going to pull in on the tab and then push down, and it comes right off just like that. And I'll put the new one on. I'm going to remove the protective cover where it says Rain-X. We're going to just flip that open like that, and the hook of the wiper arm is going to go right on there. So just put it in like this. Hook it on like that. Make sure it's all the way up. Lock it in place. Okay, now we'll repeat the process on the other side. Okay, so first I have to take the old one off, and I'm just going to lift it up, turn it in like that, and I just push down on it. And it has this hook, and it just comes off of the hook just like that. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the protective cover off the new blade, and right here where it says Rain-X, I'm going to lift that little tab there, and the hook of the wiper arm is going to go right on there. So we'll lift it up, put it on the hook, and we'll pull forward just like that, and then we'll put the little tab down, and we're done. Real simple. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. We'll catch you next time.